video, you are about to watch the upgrade of a 2013 Honda Pilot from this factory car stereo to what you now have on the dash. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Ares Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2003 Honda Pilot. The owner wants the car stereo upgraded from this is the factory to an Android car stereo. This is the Android car stereo, and this is the reverse camera. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. So to take out the car stereo, simply we have to pry out this. There are no screws here. You just pry this out. See this. After that, you have some 10mm bolt, and I think this should be 8mm. It's supposed to be 4. In this case, you have 2. So fix the screen on the chrome, and I'll connect it and let us test and see. Video. So what is left now is for us to install the reverse camera. So we'll go and do that now. So to install the reverse camera, we are looking for a location to install the reverse camera. It's likely going to be either here or here. So we'll have to take out the top panels and look for a location to install the reverse camera. So to find a point for the reverse camera, we have to remove one of the license plates, lights. Pass it down here. So remove it. So pass our reverse camera from here to here inside. So I'm going to pass the reverse camera here. So it's okay, it's okay. So we'll mount it. Give me the so that, yeah. So we'll go and mount it now. So the reverse camera has been installed. So now what is left for us is to power it. We have to trace the signal line to use for the trigger. So look at it. The reverse light. Sorry. Okay, this is the reverse light. This is the reverse light. So definitely it's going to be one of these bulbs. So I'm going to trace the reverse light now. So this is the reverse light. So I've been able to trace the positive trigger. So we'll find out one out. Let me go and put on the reverse. So we'll see that the reverse light will come on. So now you have the reverse light, you can see, or the positive. So this will be a negative. We can get our ground as well. So I have connected this video for the reverse camera, and this is the trigger for it. So I've also do so for the back, just to test and ensure that it's working. But when I've confirmed that it's working, I will now complete the installation. Hold on, hold on. Okay. So we'll leave that in. You can see that the wire for the reverse camera, I have not connected it. I just did the connection down here. So it's left for me to plug it. Is to provide power for the reverse camera, and this is to send the video signal for the reverse camera. Okay, so we are going to test it and see. Okay, you can see it's on reverse now. You can see it's on reverse. Let's trigger up. It's out of reverse. The reverse, you can see back, reverse. So the trigger is working fine. So I'll now tidy up everything. So I finally assembled everything together. As you can see, that was what we had before. This is what we have now. This is what we have now. That was what we had before. The reverse. Here you also have the reverse camera. The steering control was also done. If you want to know how the steering control is done, I have a video I've done. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can see how to make your steering control work. So you can actually see the steering Actually, with the steering control, you can move from station to stations. Yeah. Okay, that's that. We have wish to play video. So you can see videos are. Then the reverse. So reverse. Alright. Reverse. Reverse. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.